Carbon dioxide, or CO2, is the most abundant greenhouse gas in our atmosphere, and its sources can be found everywhere, from cars to cows to power plants. But which parts of the country are pumping out the most CO2?
I probably think like the West Coast, like California area.
I think probably the most emissions would be in the Northeast.
In the past, CO2 levels have been based on population, putting the Northeast at the top of the list. Now a new map called Vulcan reveals for the first time where the top CO2 producers are in the country. The answer surprised biogeochemist Kevin Gurney.
There's a lot more emissions in the Southeast than we previously thought. And again, a lot of that is because it's not necessarily associated with where people live directly, but actually where industry and activities are.
The high-resolution map shows 100 times more detail than ever before and zooms in to show greenhouse gas sources right down to factories, power plants, and even roadways.
And then you actually see I-70 going over the mountains, which is incredible to me.
An animated version reveals huge amounts of greenhouse gas gets blown toward the North Atlantic region.
We've never had a map with this much detail and accuracy that everyone can view online on the computer and zero in anywhere in the country and see the emissions.
The map helps scientists better visualize and target the areas where CO2 emissions are the highest and help those areas reduce their CO2 impact on Earth. I'm Jacqueline London reporting.